is absolutely one of those teachers that does everything she can to make sure that students feel supported. She's done a lot in her classroom to really highlight who they are as people. So for her, that really connects to their heritage. She's done a heritage wall in her classroom to really highlight, not just who they are as students, but who they are as people. And I think that's a great way that she connects with students, makes them feel valued in her classroom. She is one of those teachers that does everything she can to do the best for her students, but doesn't want credit for it. She's not one that is looking for recognition or looking for the limelight. She really does want to make sure that her students get what they get just because it's the right thing to do.
Every morning I get to see Julia greet her students with a warm and welcoming smile. I can really tell that she cares about them, and even when a student is down, she'll check in with them right there on the spot before they go into the classroom, ask what they need, and work to make their day really the best day it could be.
She is passionate about teaching, and it really shows because all of her students want to stay with her at recess and have a little lunch group with them. Sometimes I walk into her room at lunch and she is doing TikTok dances with some of the students, and that just shows how much she cares about them personally and not just academically, and how she develops relationships.
There's the surface level connection where you just get to know about their interest, but she really gets to know them on a deeper level. What makes them tick? Who are they? What are the things that they value in their family? And family's a big part of it for her. And so, I think for her to see them as people and to see them within a bigger scope of the world.
I'm just grateful to have her as a teacher, and she does go above and beyond to care for her students and make them have a great time during school.
When we are in PLC planning together, she really advocates for all of her students. She works really well with the EL students, and she knows exactly what they need in order to succeed. And she brings that out in planning to make sure that we are ensuring student success across the board.
She is always caring to her students, and she helps them when they need it.
Anyone that knows Julia knows that every little detail is of the utmost importance. And I think that it's a lot of the little details like that that actually make a big difference.